Good morning, very good morning children. Hope you are all fine. Yes? Yes. Then had your breakfast? Yes. Very good. Then we will start children. Yes. Tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 19. We are in the month of August. Year 2021. Today is Thursday. Yes. Thursday we have English subject. Yes children. Let us see thought for the day. Yes. Be yourself or everybody else is already taken. Yes, you should be always yourself only. Okay. Else is already taken. Already you have taken yourself, right? So you should be yourself only. Yes. Yes. Then let us start children. Yes. Take out your English textbook. Yes children. Take out your English textbook part 1. Yes. Then turn the page. Yes. We completed the lesson. Yes children. We revised also and we completed also. Yes. Yes. Then hope you understand the lesson, right children? Yes. About Lalita and grandmother. She shows some photographs. By seeing that photographs, the grandma told some story. Yes. She told a story that she taken the photo behind the scarecrow. Yes, then she told she has put the scarecrow dress and she frightened each and every children in the village. Yes, very funny it was, right? Yes, by seeing this, by listening this story, Lalita was very happy and laughing. Yes, she got very funny. Yes, then what she did? She told her grandmother to write each and every photograph's story. Yes, and at the end they also decided to write the story in each and every photographs. Yes children? Yes. Previous class we learned, right? Yes. Do you remember? Yes, you should remember children. Please children, read the lesson. Okay. Whichever lesson today I have taken, that lesson you should read. Reading habit is very good for you. Always you read, easily you can understand the lesson also. Even spellings also you will keep in your mind. That will help you. Okay. Reading, writing will help you to remember things. Okay. Yes, you should do that. Yes, you will do. Yes, my kids definitely you will do. Yes children. Yes. Then take out page number 3. Yes children. Page number 3. Can you see? Yes. So here we have understanding the text. Exercise 1, new words. They are given a word and they have not given the meaning, right? But that meaning is already here. See in the last page number 5 we have meaning. Okay. So I will write the word and meaning on the board. You should write in your textbook children. Here you should write down. Okay. Yes, like this how I wrote, like that you have to write. Yes, very neatly take out your pencil and write down. Yes? Yes. So, first one is bird, right? Yes. First one is which one? Impatiently. I-M-P-A-T-I-E-N-T-L-Y. Impatiently. Okay. What is the meaning? Here you have the space, right? Here you have meaning. You have to write meaning here. Then for impatiently, what is the meaning? Not able to wait. Not N-O-T-E, not A-B-L-E, able, T-O-2, W-A-I-T, wait. Not able to wait. Yes? Yes, children, next is scarecrow. Scarecrow. What is scarecrow? I already told you, right? Yes. A figure. Write down children now itself. This is class work. Okay. Write down now itself. A figure made of hay to scare birds away. Birds away from the fields. From fields. Yes. Write down in the space given below. Yes, children. Write small, small. Otherwise, the space will not be enough to write. Yes. Yes. Copy down fast, children. Then next we have literature 2. Sorry, exercise 2. Literature comprehension. Yes. Literature comprehension. Here we have questions. Yes. What did Lalita want to see? What did Lalita want to see? Yes, Lalita wanted to see grandmother's childhood photographs, right? Yes. Shall I rub, children? Yes. If you have some doubts, see here only the word and meaning are there in page number 5. You can copy this. Okay. Write down in your textbook here. Okay, children. Then next, what did Lalita want to see? What did Lalita want to see? Yes, I will rub this. Then I will write the answer over here. Okay. Yes. I will be writing the answer here. Only answers I will be writing. Question is already in the textbook. Yes. Yes. Lalita wanted to see grandma's childhood photographs. Copy down, children. Fastly you should copy. Yes, photographs. Lalita wanted to see grandma's childhood photographs. Yes, you should write here. Yes? Yes. Then next question is, which picture did grandma show Lalita? Which picture did grandma show Lalita? She showed the picture of herself in which she was standing in the fields and there was a scarecrow next to her. Yes? Yes. So second one answer I will be writing here. Please children, write down in your textbook here, page number 3. Grandma showed her picture of herself in which she was standing in the fields. There was a scarecrow next to her. Yes, children? Yes. What is the second one answer? Grandma showed her picture of herself in which she was standing in the fields. There was a scarecrow next to her. Yes, that picture only she showed, grandma. Yes, write down here. Fastly, children, watch the video again and again and complete the page. Yes? Yes. Then next is third one, right? I will rub the board, children. Yes. Then what is the next question? We have third question. Which story did grandma tell Lalita? Which story did grandma tell Lalita? Yes, grandma told. Third one answer. Grandma told that one day she had dressed, dressed dressed up like a scarecrow and scared many children of our village. Okay, yes. Grandma told that one day she had dressed up like a scarecrow and scared many children of her village. Okay, yes, she told that to whom she told? Lalita. Yes, complete it here, children. Yes, 3 questions also we completed, right? Yes. Then turn next page. So, I will show in the book itself, children. Yes, children, here we have exercise 3, read and answer. Yes, read and answer. Read the following sentence and write true or false. Yes, you should write whether it is true or false. Yes, children. Yes. Can you see here? Yes. Take pencil also along with you. Lalita wanted to listen to a story. Lalita wanted to listen to the story. Yes. No, Lalita wanted to listen to the story. No, she was very eager to see the photographs. Okay. So it is false. Write down F-A-L-S-E. False. Right here F-A-L-S-E. False. Then next, every photograph in Grandma's album had an interesting story to tell. Is it true? Yes, every photograph, there was an interesting story to tell. Okay. So it is true. Right? T-R-U-E. Write down, children. Now it says. Yes. Please watch the video again and again and complete it. Yes. Then next. Grandma showed Lalita a picture of herself in which she was standing with her friends. Is it true? She showed the picture which she was standing next to the what? Next to her friends. Is it? No. She was standing next to the scarecrow, right? So it is false. Right? False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay. Then next. Grandma had made the scarecrow but all by herself. Only she made that scarecrow? No, right? No, she didn't do by herself. She took her friend's help also. So it is false. Okay, right? F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay. Then next, Lalita and Grandma decided to write the story behind each and every photograph. Yes, Lalita and Grandma decided to write the story behind each and every photograph, right? Yes, true. At last they have decided that, right? So it is true, right? T-R-U-E. True. Okay. Yes. Then next we have exercise 4. Value-based questions, judgment and appreciation. Here also we have questions. Why do you think Lalita jumped with joy when she saw the photo album? When she saw the photo album, why she jumped, children? Why? She jumped because with joy, because she was eagerly waiting for the photograph that she would see that day. Yes, that day she liked to see that photograph, right? That's why she was very eagerly waiting. Okay? Yes, I will write this answer on the board, children. Please copy down this answer, first one. Okay, exercise 4. First one answer I will be writing on the board. Please copy down here, page number 4. Yes, children? Yes, now only you should copy. This is your class work. Exercise 4, okay? Exercise 4. You have to write first one answer, okay? Lalita jumped jumped with joy. She was eagerly waited for the photograph. Okay, then that she would see that day. Yes, this is the answer. Lalita jumped with joy. She was eagerly waited for the photograph that she would see that day. Yes. Then next, second one. Yes, second question. What is the second question? Let us see. What kind of stories did grandmas share? Do you think it is good to share stories? You are asking. Yes. What kind of story grandma shared? She shared funny stories, right? Yes. Then, do you think it is good to share stories? Yes, it is good to share stories. There is much to learn from everyone's life. Yes. So, write the answer, copy down. Grandma shared funny stories. Then, next question. Here we are writing answer. We have two questions in that second question. Yes. So, okay. Yes, it is good. Yes, it is good to share stories. Why? Why it is good? There is much to learn from everyone's life. Yes, everyone's life we have something to learn. Right, children? Yes. Yes, grandma shared funny stories. Yes, it is good to share stories. There is much to learn from everyone's life. Sorry, children. Again, learn I have written. It is life. L-I-F-E. Yes? Yes. Then, speaking talk. Next we have, turn the page. Next we have speaking talk interview. Okay, you should do this interview with your grandparents. Okay. Our grandparents have many interesting stories to tell us about that their lives are in their childhood. Spend time with them and find out about their memories. Ask them questions such as following. So you can ask question to your grandparents like, where did you live when you were my age? When you were in your age, when your grandmother is or grandfather is your age, and where he was living, you can ask your grandparents question. They will tell you the answer, right? Yes, this is like an interview. Yes, you are seen in the TV, right? Like that. How many people stayed together? How many people you were stayed that time? Like that you can ask. Then what is your home like? What is your home like? How it was your home? You can ask. Then how did you have fun without television or any modern toys? How you were spending your time also? You can ask. Yes, in olden days there were no televisions and modern equipments, right? Yes. So you can ask this question to your grandparents. Okay. Yes. Then your homework is nothing but, please children, watch the video and complete page number, textbook page number 3, 4. Okay, 3 and 4. Watch the video and complete page number 3, 4 textbook. Okay. This is your homework. Hope you are understanding. Yes, children. Yes. Please children, complete it because it is a class work. So that's why I am not giving any homework. Okay. Yes. Then today this is enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.